kitchen with your host Steve-O Ricardo, man. How's it going out there? Today, alright, we're gonna do something that's really cool, easy to use, like all our other recipes. Absolutely. We're gonna be making a Texas mac and cheese. Yummy. Real simple ingredients. Anybody can do this. That's the concept. Simplicity is best. Alright, so what you need is your pot of boiling water, 2 boxes of mac and cheese. I try and keep it consistent, so mostly I'm Spanish, so I just dump in the ingredients. So this is good. It's called discipline. Absolutely. 2 boxes of mac and cheese. You will need a half pound or something like that. Ground beef. I like the lean because you get less fat out of it. 2 helping tablespoons of butter. Velveeta, about a half a cup of Velveeta. Half a cup of milk. Frank's Red Hot sauce or whatever you want. You can use caliente or tomatillo or whatever you want. Just a couple sprigs in the ground beef. Simplicity, I like to use taco seasoning in my ground beef because it's a Tex Mex. Salt and pepper, and a little bit of teriyaki sauce. That's it. So once you got that ready to boil, a little bit of salt on there. A little bit of olive oil, you don't have to. Generally, the Italians will always say, I can't find the olive oil. That's okay, it's around here somewhere. Anyway, do like that, see how it comes out. Right. Okay, once you get your tangle, I don't put garlic in this dish. I don't. It's not needed, you don't really have to. Alright, found my olive oil. Just a little bit. The time will say, hey, what are you doing? You don't put olive oil in your boiling water. Well, I don't like to be shit. Because I buy the lean ground beef, a tablespoon or 2 of that's nice and hot. Break it, put it in there. There we go. Oh, bam. Get the ground beef going. You want your ground beef to be just brown. Don't burn it. Get it going. Once you got it consistently browned, then that's generally when I start putting my seasoning in. Just a smidgen before that. Nice pot. Alright, so just let that brown away. Okay, so the boiling water is pretty much ready to go. It's ready to go. Dump in your mac and cheese. Now, little trick, move your pot around just a little bit. That prevents it from sticking at the bottom. Turn your heat down a little bit. You can go about 2 or half. It'll pick up pretty soon. Alright, now this is ready to go. At this point, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, 14. Taco mix. It's in there, usually 1/4 cup. Water, so 1/4 cup, 1/3. Now, since I got the pasta already here, old traditional way is using the pasta water in the dish. So, 1/3 cup. That's it. Turn the heat down, go to about half, and then just get that mixed in there. And that's pretty much, yeah, that's your base of your meat. Now, 2 ways of doing this. You can throw in all the ingredients now. I generally do either or. So because I've got this already warmed up and everything's already cooking in there, At this point, I can throw in my mac and cheese powder with your butter and your Velveeta and your milk. So that's showing what I'm going to do. That way, the least of Velveeta will pick up some of the flavor of the sauce. From here, not just moving the meat out of the way. Get the butter to melt. Velveeta to melt. Get that to a point where it's melt it down. Get your Velveeta. Got the Velveeta. There we go. Just break it up a little bit. Like a cheesy Slayer sauce. It's just like it's thick. Right. Favorite Slayer? Hello Waits, definitely. And I don't know. I thought that the new one with Beltless was freaking amazing. And I know we're missing Hanneman, but you know, for the most part, it was a great effort. Great album. Cheese is melting. Okay, at this point you can throw in your 2 packs. Throw in your milk. Get everything just melted up as much as possible. Soup to taste later on with some salt and pepper. Let that sit, let everything kind of melt down, and at that point you can pretty much start straining your pasta. Okay, so now that you strained your pasta, drop it in there. Pretty much it. So then let it sit for about 5-6 minutes, get everything nice and warmed up, and you are pretty much ready to serve. Good little garnish for on top of your nice fresh onions. Love spring onions. Awesome. So dish up your bowl and add the little green onions on top of it. And there you go. Tex Mex Chili Mac. Enjoy. Hey, I hope you enjoyed today's meal. Do hit the like button and the bell button down below, and yeah, support. Check out the comments. Leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Much appreciated. Stay metal.